welcome back to the channel. This episode, we're going to show you how to build a gas-powered bicycle for $0. So this is just going to be a real quick video on how we threw this bike together with no welding, just some steel we had laying around, how we came into the parts, how we have $0 into it, how you can do it at your house and have a good time, and keep you from pedaling around the neighborhood. Let the gas do all the work. Let's check this thing out real quick. I'm going to let him show you what we did and how we did it.
This is our gas-powered bicycle we put together kind of like a Frankenstein style. It has a friction drive, which means this will spin, and then just a pure friction will spin the tire, which will propel you. We just put it from two different bikes. We had a bike someone just threw out, and this motor was from a pressure washer that everything was junk on it except the motor. Motor ran fine, and they just wanted to get rid of it, and we just had some scrap metal and put it together. No fabrication, just bolting together and drilling holes, and that's it. Some of the things, this thing's not perfect. It's still in the works, but we have this safety wire on, and we put it on this throttle cable, makeshift throttle cable, so it doesn't burn on the exhaust. And we also put this lever on there, and we had to cut it off because it wouldn't give us full throw for the throttle. And this thing, like I said, by no means it's perfect. Like, even starting it's a hassle. Like, it's a two people. Yeah, one has to be on it, and then someone has to pull it from the front. But it's still in the works. It's got a few things, but it's pretty sick. Now we have this overview of the bike. We're gonna fire this thing up, show you how it works.
Here we go. I didn't have it on. Oh. Gotta have it turned on. It's working! Shut it off. We don't have a kill switch. Gotta reach down, manually turn it off. The brakes work kinda, but I say we take this thing on the road, and you seen it work in the grass? Let's take it on the road and try to get a little bit more speed under it. Well, first road test, and probably shouldn't have used an old tire because not good. But it was ripping, and we got our electrical tape on the peg. She's holding up okay, but the tire not so much. So he brought some tools and the air pump. We're gonna get take some air out of this, take that peg off so it isn't hitting anymore, because when I move it, it's hitting. Ride this thing to the back, and do another variation with a new tire. It's just dying. Okay. Yep. Oh. Ignition, I'm gonna try to start it by myself. So I'm gonna have to, since the peg isn't fully tight on the tire, we could tighten it up a little bit. We just didn't want too much pressure on the tire. Otherwise we could just push it and it'd roll right over. But if I pull it a little bit and push it, she should fire off. So we'll try it. One-man operation. Here we go. Oh yeah. That's pretty good, actually. Not bad. Better pedaling. Yeah, not too bad. And that is actually pretty cool because this bike is still in one piece. We didn't cut up the bike at all. We got two bolts. Unbolt this, unbolt it here, that slides off. Pull the cable off or pull the whole lever off. And this thing's back to a regular BMX bike. And we could probably bolt it onto another bike, honestly. As long as it has the bolt here for the front brake, we should be all bolted on whatever we want. All right, so this time we're gonna give it another ride, but this time you're gonna be on board with me, and we're gonna see what it looks like when you're riding this thing. Here we go. It's definitely got a lot of weight on the left side, but it's not too bad. And you can hear when the engine revs, it doesn't speed up. It does speed up, but not at the same rate as the RPMs, just because of the slippage of the friction. And with that amount of fuel, you should be able to go a long way. You don't have to charge up your electric bike, and it's pretty quiet. It's not too bad. take a little ride and see the countryside here. Now, you're not gonna break no sound barriers on this, but it definitely gets you A to B, and you can see I ain't pedaling. I got my American flag Crocs going there. We're just cruising along. Maybe I'll swap it over and get him to take this thing for a spin, see what he thinks about it. Shut her down. We're gonna let this guy rip it. What do you think? You ready? Think you can handle this thing?
Definitely.
All right, let's fire it up. I'm gonna give him a hand. I'm gonna do the old pull start while he gives it a push. Whenever you're ready, start pushing and I'll pull it. Just like that, he's off. Just cruising around. Oh, car coming. Race that car. Thing's pretty quiet. Not too bad. Oh, he's going for another round. He's moving. I like that shirt, FL2K. All right, let's see if we can shut it off. The old kill switch, how was it?
Pretty good.
You're mostly idling on the way by.
Yeah?
You're moving pretty good.
I got on it a little bit. But...
Yeah? Yeah, it was moving pretty good, even at idle. Beats pedaling, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Especially on a hot day down here in Florida. Just cruise around. I've never done anything like this before, so it was actually pretty cool. It's not super unstable when you're riding it, but when you go to turn around, it gets a little sketch, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we'll add a kill switch to the handlebar. It's not terrible reaching down and grabbing it since it's right here. So you can just reach down and boop, just flip that, and that's not too bad. But the starting process could be a little bit better. I wonder if you could almost rotate this around so the pull starts on the backside. I think you could. We could probably unbolt it, spin this, clock it, put it back on, and then you could just blap right from the driver's seat. But I don't know. Looks pretty cool and works great. Push start, fail. Try to push start it. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it actually worked. Look at that. Yeah. That is cool. It actually worked. Cruising. Oh, I can't even keep up. That's just a brief overview of our little father-son side project that we did here. And if you're looking to build something like this, keep your eye out. People throw bicycles out all the time, especially around Christmas time. Everybody's getting new bikes. They throw out their old bikes. Just keep your eye out and you can accumulate some stuff like this, have $0 into it, have a good time, learn something new. You learned something new?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too, because I'd never built anything like this. It was actually his idea to come up with the friction bicycle thing, and I didn't think it would work. I didn't think it does spin faster than the tire, but it definitely works, and it's pretty cool. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.